now to our sports commentator. Over to you, Jeff Jester.
Thank you very much, Maggie May. We are here today to look at two trash-talking competitors, the Wed Wabbit and the Black Turtle. And we see that Wed Wabbit is starting at the origin, and Black Turtle, being smaller, gets a head start. Wait just a minute! Apparently trying to cheat. Poor Black Turtle is not too bright. He didn't realize that he'd been hornswoggled. Black Turtle must start a 9-mile head start, while Wed Wabbit has to start at the beginning. Today we have a real pressure cooker going here. Seems that trash-talking Black Turtle has forced a rematch of the epic loss experienced by the Wed Wabbit years in the past. As this commentator understands it, Jessica Rabbit left the Wed Wabbit after the race to be with a real man, that trash-talking Black Turtle. The rematch is now upon us. Before we actually get to the race, I would like to inform our viewers that Wed Wabbit has indeed taken a nap and is plenty rested for this race. He has committed himself to doing his best and not screwing around, Preston. Anyways, here we are, even bets. The bets are in. We are going to see how they go. However, I do want to point out one small change in the race. Wed Wabbit will be starting at the origin. The beginning of the race will be at ground zero for him. However, our trash-talking turtle will get a 9-mile head start. This, Maggie May, is represented by our equation. Black Turtle, y equals 2x plus 9. This is where Black Rabbit starts. He will progress 2 miles for every 1 hour elapsed, as opposed to Wed Wabbit, who will not get a head start. However, we do know that his speed is faster than trash-talking Black Turtle. He will progress 3 miles in 1 hour. So again, head start at B, 9 miles, progressing at 2 miles per hour. And Wed Wabbit is going to be traveling at a rate of 3 miles per 1 hour. Are our contestants ready? Are they set? And go! Here we go, folks. 1, 2, 3, 1. Dunk, 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 dunk. Photo finish, folks. Photo finish. The crowd is going nuts. We cannot believe the excitement. The energy is all around us. I can just feel the love. After a close inspection of the photo finish, we have to say it is a tie. So, for all you betting fools out there that placed your money on Wed Wabbit, as you can see, Wed Wabbit did not win. As you can see, trash-talking Black Turtle did not win. It was an actual physical tie. They crossed the line at the same time. So unless you voted for a tie, unless you bet that they would tie, you owe money. And if you don't pay, we're going to send my friend Guido out to get you. Don't make me send Guido. He's got black nylon socks. You see a guy with black nylon socks named Guido coming after you and you haven't paid me. Cut! Maggie May.
Thanks, Jeff. I am here at Logic Courthouse waiting for Judge Pythagorean to come out. There he is now.
Hi.
Excuse me, Judge, but can you explain exactly what happened in there and why that math teacher is so sad and crying?
Certainly. She is crying because people just have no logic of equal rights for both sides of the equation. Equality must be maintained by shifting numbers and variables to the opposite side. Or in layman's terms, whatever you do to one side of the equal side must be done to the other side. This lack of logic caused the death of
Dun, dun, dun.
the negative sign. Just look at this mangled equation.
Oh, and it's showing up backwards.
All right, what can I do?
The equation looks right to me. The 17 has a negative sign, so the negative sign's still there. Can you explain it?
Just ask that crying teacher. Anybody with number equality could certainly detangle that mess.
It's just a mess. It's a mess. Just look at this equation. Just look at it. First of all, this is a negative 2, and a negative 2 times the x should give you a negative 2x, not 2x. See, the negative sign is already gone. And look, negative 2 times the 7, that should give you a negative 14. I'm tired of the positives getting all the fun. And then when you take this 14 to get it over here, you have to do the opposite. So you have to add 14 to both sides. And now you end up with just negative 2x over here, not a positive 2x. And then this side shouldn't even be negative 14 at all. The audacity, it should be negative 6. And then you have to divide both sides by negative 2. This is totally wrong. It's wrong. I'm tired of it. It should be x equals 3. Why can't they get it right? Okay.
Are we rolling?
There's a grammar teacher over there.
It's not got milk. It should be, does anyone have milk? It's all about treating each side of the equation with logical justice and equality.
Thank you, Judge and crying teacher. Back to you, Jeff Jester.
Are you an equation that is thinking about becoming a graph?
Uh-huh.
Perhaps you are already a graph, but you feel like something is missing. You feel like you are just not all there. I have a solution. You may need an origin. You need coordinate points 0, 0. After all, you can't just start nowhere. Everyone has to start somewhere. Complete graphs everywhere started with nothing so they can become something. Complete graphs everywhere start with nothing so they can become something. Call today for your own 0, 0 coordinate at 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Or if you're one of these folks that like to memorize phone numbers with words, it's 800 you complete me.